My good people, we're in Qatar, Doha, Qatar airport. And these guys have a indoor freaking rainforest or something look like. Look at this. This is a walkway that goes through it. You see the rainforest, water coming out. Check out this group down there. They at the table, y'all. They are at the table. Freaking crazy. Indoor rainforest. Yeah. That's how they do it over here in the Middle East. They do that thing extra big, man. I mean, indoor, all this is live trees and plants and things. All of it. Jeez. I just want to show you guys this, so if you ever are in this area, come by this little rainforest thing. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna sit. There's all types of areas down there where you can sit and lounge. I got a little layover. You see the lady right there? She is laid the hell out asleep in the park. Oh yeah, it reminds you of a park too. Walking through a park. Pretty neat stuff. Pretty neat stuff. Skylights. Yeah. And Sinead right there. Yeah. But pretty neat stuff. So definitely stop by here. If you happen to be in this part of the world, laid over at the Qatar, Doha, Qatar airport. Stop through, check this out. It's definitely worth a visit if you have time. And this is how you get downstairs, down in it. I've been through this airport a few times, but I never took advantage of the rainforest here. And y'all, it smells just like outside. If you were outside walking in the park or something, it smells just like that. It's telling you, it's real. It's real, my people. It's real. Yeah, everything. True to it. These Qataris doing it up. Thought the Emiratis did it up. The Qataris right on their tail, doing it up too. But if you don't like, trees and grass and stuff like that, you won't like this, because this, when I'm going down here, it's all the forest-like stuff. Pretty plants that grow in the forest. All kind of trees. I don't know what kind of trees them are. Palm trees. All kind of thing like this. Big tree. That's a big tree. Man, that's a big tree. Huge. And as you can see, they're doing some maintenance over there to that part of it, so we can't go over there. But elephant leaves and all the varieties of things like this. This way. They just came from this way. See if we can go this way. Okay. Here's a little area, a little sitting area, but you can't go there. They got it blocked off, doing some stuff. And there, it's a little sitting area. Nice tree. That little plant look like it's in some type of bag or something. I don't know. It's a lot of them like that. Some new stuff, y'all. You don't know nothing about. got little tree houses where you can have your lunch and things like this. Kids play around. Pretty palm, some type of palm that is. And they got fern growing. On the bed. And I was just up there. See that little walk? I was just up there on that little walkway. So, yeah, pretty darn cool, pretty darn neat to check out. Like I said, if you happen to be here for a little layover, check it out. Check it out. He over there. I'm about to say, what the hell is that in the tree? But he over there cleaning up, doing some stuff, getting on ferns, pretty ferns. And these things, I don't know what they call. They pretty. And flowers. But yeah. See people over there laid out on the grass. Unfortunately for the pet lovers, one thing I haven't seen in this airport is passengers with their pets. I'm not sure if they're allowed in this airport, so if you have a little baby, you need to check and see if you can bring them. And they just having lunch, man. This lunch, cheese, crackers, things like this, sausage. Got some to drink.
One here, one there.
Yeah, thank you. And it's all just cast iron, something like that. Yep. Everybody just sitting on the damn stool, you know what I'm saying? Chilling out as a family. Yeah. And then here's the little read on it. The artist who wrote it. And then there's some seats right here for some people who want to join them. So sit right here and join them. I have a